Hi, this is me. If you're watching this, I'll bet you're curious about how to set up and use your new LectroFan Alpha. The first thing you want to do is charge your Alpha for at least 2 hours. You can use the cable we've included or any standard USB-A to USB-C cable. Charging will take about 2 hours the first time. When the light goes off, you're ready to use it. Alpha will play for up to 40 hours at normal volume on each charge. If the light starts blinking when you're using it, it's time to charge it again. You can use the built-in stand if you'd like it to stand on a flat surface and fold it up for travel. Alpha has 4 buttons: the sound selector, the power button, and the volume controls. Just press the sound selector to choose a sound. There's a heartbeat, 2 different fans, brown and pink noise, and 2 choices of ocean waves. You can use the included clip to attach it to the outside of a crib, a stroller, a backpack, or just about anything you can think of. Just remember to make sure that it's not within baby's reach. It should always be used under adult supervision. And of course, the charging cable should always be kept out of the reach of children. Like all things that make a noise, the volume should always be set at an appropriate level. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know if you have any questions.